right? So what do you like most about Steadfast? What do you like most here?
You.
Me. Okay. Thank God my wife is not here. But my mother must have been here, you know. My mother must have been here. She would have given a bless. Okay. Viraj, why do you like me? Very much here.
You are very crazy.
वेलकम बैक टू आवर यूट्यूब चैनल स्टेडफास्ट इंग्लिश क्लब्स। तो ये हमारा नेक्स्ट स्पीकिंग सेशन का वीडियो है, प्रैक्टिस सेशन नहीं गाइस। आज का जो सेशन था हमारा WH वर्ड्स का, जिनका यूज होता है पर्सनल इंटरव्यूज में क्वेश्चन पूछने के लिए, जनरल कॉन्वर्सेशन के लिए। तो आज हमारे दो स्टूडेंट्स हैं, इशिका एंड विराज। तो इशिका या विराज एक दूसरे का PI लेंगे, पर्सनल इंटरव्यू। सो स्टार्ट करते हैं इशिका और विराज से। आर यू रेडी फॉर फेसिंग PI?
Yes, sir.
ओके, सो इशिका विल टेक PI ऑफ विराज। इशिका को विराज का पर्सनल इंटरव्यू लेना है।
So firstly, tell me about yourself, Viraj.
My name is Viraj Singh Jadon. My father name is Rajendra Singh Jadon. My mother name is Neha Singh Jadon. I live in Indore at Nandanagar, but I basically from Rajasthan.
Okay. Which class are you in?
5th.
You're in 5th class. So what is your future plans? What do you want to become in future?
Army officer.
Okay. Why you want to become army officer in future?
I don't know.
Why? You should know, na?
Hmm?
You should know.
No.
You don't know. Okay. So my next question is, in which school are you?
US International School.
Okay. Who is your best friend?
My best friend name is Yashraj.
How many best friends do you have?
1.
Only one best friend. Okay. Who is your best teacher in your class?
Pallavi ma'am.
What she does teach you?
Maths.
Do you like maths?
Yes.
Okay.
Okay, so it was the interview of Viraj was taken by Ishika. Now I'm going to take both of interviews. Are you ready? Okay, so my question goes to Ishika. Ishika, how are you feeling to attend this kind of practice session in audio as well? I'm gonna upload these videos on YouTube channel. How are you feeling?
I'm feeling glad. I'm feeling like if I am able to connect with more and more people through YouTube, it will feel like I'm over the moon.
Viraj, you are coming to Steadfast for learning English here, right? So what do you like most about Steadfast? What do you like most here?
You.
Me. Okay. Thank God my wife is not here. But my mother must have been here, you know. My mother must have been here. She would have given a bless. Okay, Viraj, why do you like me? Very much here.
You are very crazy.
You are really bold and daring, because this sentence hasn't been spoken by any student yet. Why do you think so that I am crazy?
I don't know.
Okay, Viraj, you are running in upper basic level, right? After joining Steadfast, did you feel that you improved your English speaking skills?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now you are able to talk very well. Are you able to speak English?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now ask me any question, Viraj. Ask me any question.
What is your children name?
First of all, I don't have children. I have a child, one only, and it's Anay. His name is Anay. Next question.
Where do you live?
I live in Indore.
Where do you basically from?
I'm from Anjar, district Bhavani. Okay guys, तो ये था हमारा PI सेशन, 1-to-1 PI बाय स्टूडेंट्स एंड देन बाय ट्रेनर। और ऐसे वीडियोस देखने के लिए हमारे YouTube चैनल को फॉलो कीजिए, सब्सक्राइब कीजिए। फिर मिलेंगे नए टॉपिक के साथ। अभी के लिए इतना ही। बाय बाय, टेक केयर। वन चेंज कैन चेंज योर लाइफ।